Hi guys, this is Sarah again, and this is Kin Kaku, which is Eat with me, Sarah. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a very popular Thai dish called Pao Gai Kai Dao. Okay, the Pao is the holy basil, Gai is chicken, and Kai Dao is fried egg sunny side up. We've been eating it since we were young, and today, if anyone can't think of what to eat, always end up with other, Gapao Kai Dao. But you have to understand first that the Gapao is holy basil, and holy basil is not basil. It's not just regular basil that we know, okay? Holy basil, I never saw it outside Thailand. I went to Chinese grocery store in California. I went to Chinatown in New York. I went to Korean or Japanese. They don't carry it. Maybe only in Thailand. Okay. So feel free to just to use the regular basil, even Italian basil or Vietnamese basils. Okay, they are good as well. And, for the meat, you can use any kind of meat that you want. You can use the chicken, pork, beef, or you can use just mushroom if you are vegans. Okay. And I'm gonna show you step by step how to make it. It's very easy, and you don't need a lot of effort to make this dish. And the spiciness level you can adjust according to your preference. Okay, now let's go to the kitchen. I'll show you step by step of how to make it. Let's go. I'm hungry now. Garlic slices. And chili pepper. You can use Thai chili pepper like this, a small one, or bigger one. That's fine too. If you don't have the pepper, you can use jalapeno instead as well, but the smell will be a little bit different. Okay. Basil. Use olive leaves. Okay. Today I'm going to be using the wok, the Chinese wok, which is made of iron. And if you don't have this, don't worry. You can use any kind of pan that you have in your kitchen. This type, or even like this type. Okay, they are fine. All right, don't worry about the pan or the wok. Okay, so after prepare the ingredient already, let's start cooking. Make sure that the pan has to be really hot. Without putting any oil in it, just fry it until it's done. Stir fry it. Once the pork is done, add cooking oil. And then add garlic and pepper. So after that, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Okay. Add just a tiny bit of sugar. Done, all done. Just add holy basil or basil into it and just stir. Again, for the pepper, if you want to put more, Feel free to do so if you like spicy. For the rice, I'm gonna be using this brown rice, which is organic brown rice. Okay, you can use white rice, jasmine rice, or any kind of rice. Ta-da! This is the kapao, but not finished yet. Okay, we need the fried egg. So now we're gonna make the fried eggs sunny side up. Okay, first you have to make sure that the pan is really hot. Once you see the smoke coming out, add oil. You can use like canola oil. The smoke come out means it's quite hot already. So just put the eggs in it. Stir a little bit to make sure that the yolk is in the middle. Once you see that the edge of the eggs, getting brown, that means it's okay. It's done. Ta-da! This is the kapao pork with kai dao, but it's not done yet. Let's do the final touch.